Welcome to the journey through time, a journey through the world of programming languages. In the realm of computer science and software development, the languages we use to communicate with computers have evolved dramatically. Our story begins in the past when programming was a mysterious art, confined to the realm of engineer and scientist. It was a world of punch cards and arcane machine code, a world vastly different from the one we know today. So, today programming languages are the foundation of our digital world. They empower us to create software, solve complex problems, and build the technologies that shape our lives. In this video, we will embark on a journey to explore the rich history, the dynamic present, and the exciting future of programming languages. We will uncover the pioneers who revolutionized the way we communicate with computers, dive into the diversity of modern programming languages, and explore emerging trends and technologies that promises to reshape our coding landscape, from the earliest lines of code to the latest AI-driven innovations. This is a story of programming languages, a story of innovation, challenges, and limitless possibilities. So at first, we should learn about the past generation programming languages. At first, Fortran in 1957. Fortran, short for formula translation, was one of the earliest high-level programming languages. It was designed for scientific and engineering calculations, making it a pioneer in the field of computational science. Despite its age, Fortran remains relevant in scientific and technical computing due to its performance in numerical computation and its extensive library of mathematical functions. While it may lack some modern features, it remains a vital tool in various scientific and engineering disciplines. Next is Lisp in 1958. Lisp or Lisp processing was developed for artificial intelligence research. It is renowned for its unique linked list data structure, which makes it well suited for symbolic manipulation and recursive algorithms. Lisp introduced the concept of symbolic expressions, and it heavily influenced the development of artificial intelligence. Although not as widely used as some other languages today, its legacy is visible in many modern programming languages and AI applications. Next is Cobol in 1959. Cobol, or Common Business Oriented Language, was created for business idea or business data processing. It aimed to standardize and simplify business software development. Cobol is still in use today, particularly in legacy systems, in the financial and government sectors. Its verbose and English-like syntax was designed to be easy to read and understand for non-technical users, making it well suited for business applications. In 1970s, Pascal was created by Nicholas Wirth with an emphasis on teaching structured programming. It introduced concepts like strong typing and structured control statements, which have become essential in modern languages. Pascal's influence can be seen in Delphi, a popular development environment, and languages like ADA and Module 2. While less popular for general software development today, its legacy endures in the principle of good software design. C in 1972. C is a foundational programming language known for its efficiency and portability. It provides low-level control over hardware, making it a preferred language for system programming, embedded system, and operating system development. Its influence can be seen in most modern programming languages as it introduced the concept of structured programming and modularity, making code more maintainable and readable. Next is C++ in 1983. C++ is an extension of the C programming language, introducing the concept of object-oriented programming, or OOPs. It allows developers to create complex software systems by organizing code into reusable classes and objects. With features like inheritance and polymorphism, C++ is widely used in game development. system software, and high performance applications. The structure or STL, Standard Template Library, in C++ provides a rich set of data structures and algorithms for various tasks. However, C++ can be complex and challenging with a steeper learning curve compared to some other languages. ADA 1983. ADA was designed with a strong emphasis on safety and reliability, particularly for real-time and safety-critical systems. It enforces a strong typing and has features like tasking for concurrent programming. ADA's stringent compile time checks make it suitable for aerospace, defense, and healthcare applications, where safety is paramount. It is less commonly used in mechanism or mainstream software development, but remains essential in domains where safety and predictability are crucial. Next, introduction to modern programming languages or present time. At first, 1980s in Python. Python is a high-level general-purpose language known for its clean and readable syntax. It's versatile and supporting a wide range of applications from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and scientific computing. Python's extensive library ecosystem, including NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, makes it a popular choice for data science and machine learning. Its simplicity and commonly support have contributed to its popularity as a fast programming language for beginners. Next is Java 1995. Java is celebrated for its write once, run anywhere capability. Thanks to the Java Virtual Machine or JVM, this allows developers to create platform-independent applications, making it a popular choice for web, mobile, and enterprise software. Java's strong type system and built-in memory management contribute to its reputation for security and reliability. It is widely used in large-scale applications and Android app development. Next is JavaScript in 1995. JavaScript is a scripting language used primarily for web development. It runs in web browser and is responsible for enhancing the interactivity and functionality of websites. It has evolved significantly over the years, with the advent of Node.js enabling server-side development as well. JavaScript flexibility and asynchronous programming capabilities make it essential for building modern web applications. Next is Ruby 1995. Ruby is an elegant and dynamic object-oriented programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It gained widespread popularity due to the Ruby on Rails framework, which streamlined web application development. Ruby encourages the principle of convention over configuration, making it a productive choice for web developers. Its focus on developer happiness and expressiveness has earned it a devoted following. Next is PHP 1995. PHP or Hypertext Preprocessor is a server-side scripting language designed for web development. It is particularly suited for building dynamic web pages and web applications. PHP powers popular content management systems like WordPress and Drupal and has a significant presence on the web. However, it has been criticized for security vulnerabilities and inconsistent language design. Till now, also Facebook used PHP. Swift in 2014. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple for iOS and macOS, watchOS, tvOS app development. It aims to provide a safer and more efficient alternative objective. So, Swift features modern syntax, type, inference and memory management, making it a powerful and user-friendly choice for Apple ecosystem developers. Rust in 2010. Rust is a system programming language that prioritizes memory safety, concurrency and performance. It offers a unique ownership model where the compiler enforces strict rules to prevent common programming errors like null pointer differences and data races. Rust is gaining popularity for its use in building secure and efficient software, particularly in areas like operating system and game development. Next is C# in 2000, developed by Microsoft. C# is a language that combines elements of C++ and Java. It is a popular choice for Windows application development, including desktop application and game using the Unity game engine. C# is known for a strong support for object-oriented programming and a vast ecosystem of libraries and tools. SQL, or a structured query language. SQL is a domain-specific language for managing and querying relational database. It is essential for data management and retrieval. Various database systems including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, support SQL, making it a crucial language for data analysis and database administrators. Some future trend languages like Q#, quantum computing language. Q# is a domain-specific language for quantum computing developed by Microsoft. It enables the creation of quantum algorithm and simulations for quantum computers. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography and optimization, and Q# is a valuable tool for working in this cutting-edge area. Solidity, blockchain smart contract language. Solidity is a programming language used for creating smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into the code. Solidity allows developers to build decentralized applications or DApps and automate transactions on the Ethereum platform. Domain-specific language or DSL. DSLs are specialized languages designed for specific domains or tasks. For example, Terraform uses a DSL to define infrastructure as code, IAC, and SQL is a DSL for query database. DSLs are valuable for simplifying complex tasks in particular domains. AI generated code. AI and machine learning models are increasingly used to generate code. For instance, GPT-3, which you are interacting with now, can assist in writing code by generating code snippets or offering programming suggestions. This technology is expected to streamline development and improve code quality. So that's it. So the choice of programming language depends on the specific project, its requirement, and the preference of developer. As technology evolves, we can expect to see new languages and tools emerge to address the demands of emerging fields and industries. If you have more questions about any specific languages or need information about other programming language, please feel free to ask and comment down. Okay, so thanks for watching.